Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. Sentinel Strike coming right up. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a package. We've seen this in our previous video, so we are opening them individually and starting with this Sentinel generic. Okay, so this is from the Sentinel Strike organized play. Okay, unfortunately here in the Philippines we did not organize play, so we have this Sentinel, okay, up for grab. Okay, so I decided to just buy it online because again it's X-Men and we are trying to master set the X-Men figures. Okay, so you can see here, I think this was the price for month number 1 of the Sentinel Strike OP kit events. Okay, and this is the classic Sentinels X-Men 97 version. Okay, I really love this color scheme. Okay, for Sentinels. I just hope that I get a box of the Sentinel Strike in the future. But for now, we are happy with the brown box it came with. And this will be displayed anyways, together with our other older Sentinel figures. Okay, so but this seems to be smaller. I don't know if the master mold one, the half body, is bigger than this, but compared to other Sentinels, and even of course the Tri Sentinel is very big, this seems to be more on the regular 2x2 scale. Okay, so again you can see very dynamic pose. This one is shooting a blast, a Sentinel blast to some mutant below it, and let's find out if he is menacing. So Sentinel is NVS S, so Marvel Sentinel Strike 25-003A. So because there are different Sentinel versions for the Sentinel Strike OP kit. This, I said, is the generic one. So he has the Sentinel and robot keywords as it should be, and he has a couple of traits. The first one is Field Repairs, which is free. Remove a Sentinel effect terrain marker in a square Sentinel occupies from the game. If you do, heal Sentinel 2 clicks. Okay, so remove, yeah. Okay, so that means I think you're allowed 3 terrain effect terrain markers per match. So that would mean you can heal 6 clicks potentially throughout the game, but it has to be a Sentinel effect terrain, so not any of the other terrain types. A second trait is Surrender Mutant. Sentinel modifies its range and attack +1 for each opposing character with the X-Men keyword. Okay, which is good because you can see towards the end of the dial he's only like 10 9 attack, so that's a bit disappointing. Range is also 3, so quite limited as well. But if you're up against X-Men, that can easily go +3, making him 12 attack and +3 range, 6 range, 2 targets, which is now very strong. Okay. Sentinel deals penetrating damage to characters with the X-Men keyword or X-Men team ability. Okay, as he should. Okay, let's see. By the way, I got this from J Major in eBay as part of the auction. So, oh, he doesn't have any real name. It could have been various, but I guess robots don't have names, inanimate objects. Appearance is X-Men 97, Tolerance is Extinction, Part 2, 2024, and the special damage power is Sentinel Damage. When this click is first revealed, you may immediately generate a Sentinel effect terrain marker within 4 squares. Okay, so that means you can bring in another Sentinel effect that you can later heal off with that free trait. Okay, so he has improved movement, destroy blocking. Okay, 160 or 40 points. The 40 points would grant him enhancement. No stop clicks for this, but 5 clicks for 40 points, not so bad. 60 points of 10 clicks, that looks much appealing. Okay, 100 points, not so much. I guess 15 clicks of 100 points is not so bad. Okay, but you can easily chew through his dial. Okay, maybe put Animal Man on him as an avatar, and for 100 points. But for sure 60 points would be the way to go, or even 40 points if you just want a body blocker or whatnot. Okay, so again, I want to get more of this because this is a generic Sentinel, but I can wait out because again I already have one, so I can wait for a good deal on probably 2 or 3 or more Sentinels in the future. But for now, we're happy that we have one. But what do you guys think? Have you play tested this Sentinel? Share your thoughts in the comments. And until the next video, bye!